nutrition therapy session. I know that some of you have struggled with eating disorders. I know it isn't easy, but it's important to talk about it. Who wants to share their story first?
I suffer from diabetes. I found out that I have diabetes when I was 10 and I have been struggling with it ever since.
How does it affect your everyday life?
Having diabetes means I have to follow very strict nutritional rules. I must eat every 2-3 hours, but in small portions. I had to eliminate fat, meat, butter from my diet. My meals have to be well balanced. I'm fed up with it.
Who supports you during your disease?
My mom. She takes great care of me all the time. I couldn't do it without her.
Who else is engaged in sports?
Me. My name is Wojtek. I don't have any problems with nutrition. I'm a runner and I need a diet for next 2 months.
Can you give me some more information?
Yes, of course. I'm 1 meter and 76 centimeters high and I weigh 73 kilograms. In 2 months I have to run 56 kilometers in Porto. I mostly need more potassium and magnesium.
176 centimeters, 73 kilograms, potassium, magnesium. Okay, tell me just one more thing. Have you got any contraindications to nutrition?
No, I don't have any contraindications to nutrition.
Okay, ready. If you keep this diet, I guarantee great effects.
Wow! This diet is awesome! Thank you very much! Now I'm going to win this marathon.
And I had anorexia.
Have you already recovered from it?
Yes, I have, but the beginning was tough. It was very bad with me. I was a huge fan of top model and Anya Ruby. I thought that if I was as slim as the models, boys would be interested in me.
An interesting story. What made you stop?
My friends told me only dogs like bones.
Now me, doctor.
Yeah?
I bet you won't guess who is in this photo.
Oh my god, is that really you?
Yeah, unfortunately. You are surprised, right? Completely other person, you may say.
When and how did it start?
Well, when I was a child, my parents used to tell me, eat more if you want to grow up. So I did. They were forcing me every single time to eat. I was eating fatty dishes, fast food and sweets. A lot of sweets. I put on so much weight that I started to having problems with moving.
What happened next?
I didn't pay attention to how I looked. As I mentioned, with time my obesity started to disable me, but I still didn't do anything. And then, one day, I just shaped up, simply grew up. I stopped eating so many sweets and fats, and started eating healthier instead. And I started doing sports. After a few months, I looked way better.
And now?
And now I eat healthy and I am way more active. I go to swimming pool regularly.
So, why are you here with us? Do you need help? A nutrition plan or something?
No, I came here just to show up. Thanks for listening, guys.
Bless you. Are you sick?
No, I've got a chocolate allergy.
Since when?
Since I was a child. The moment I have some chocolate, immediately start sneezing. It's the worst thing that could ever happen to me. I can't eat anything tasty. Every day I am at a party and I see a big chocolate cake. I'm dying inside. Please help me, doctor. Save me. I can't eat steak anymore.
Keep calm. Chocolate allergies are very common. Here, have a cookie.
Oh, thanks. I'll take one.
Help yourself. They are with chocolate.
Are you kidding?
Sorry, I shouldn't. Here, take this prescription. After this medicine, your runny nose will disappear like your 100 zlotys.
Oh, 100 zlotys? I don't understand.
The consultation cost 100 zlotys.
Are you kidding?
No, you are. If you really had a chocolate allergy, you would have had hives. A red itchy rash, not a runny nose.
Thanks for